Take a ride in the 2020 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, rear audio headphone jacks, rear cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, door courtesy lights, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.